Hello friends, you are watching the Awesome Mary YouTube channel, and today I am discuss about the states located in the southern Indian zone. So the states located in the southern Indian zone is Karnataka with its capital Bangalore. The second state is Andhra Pradesh, and the capital of Andhra Pradesh is Amravati. And the third one state is Tamil Nadu, and the capital of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. Fourth one state is Telangana, and the capital of Telangana is Hyderabad. The fifth state of southern zone of India is Kerala, and the capital of Kerala is Thiru, and the capital of Kerala is Thiruvananthapuram. So you know that the southern zone of India consists 5 states and 3 UTs. So the UTs are Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and the capital of Andaman and Nicobar Islands is Port Blair. And the next UT is Puducherry, and the capital of Puducherry is also Puducherry. So the next UT is Lakshadweep, and the capital and administrative headquarters of Lakshadweep is Kavarati. So I hope you will like this information, and so I will tell you that who is the largest state according to area. So the Karnataka is the largest state according to area in the southern Indian zone, and the Kerala state is smallest according to their area. The smallest UT in the southern Indian zone is Lakshadweep. Lakshadweep is only 32.62 kilometers, and the largest UT is Andaman and Nicobar. So overall I will discuss that Karnataka is the largest entity and Lakshadweep is the smallest identity. The total population of southern Indian zone is 25 crore 30,51,953. So almost 25 crore, and the total area of the southern Indian zone is almost 6,45,000. It includes all these locations. According to their population, the highest populated state is Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is most populous state with its population of 6.79 crores. The least populous state is Kerala with its population of 3.46 crore. And the least populated UT is Lakshadweep with its only population of 64,429. The most populous UT is Puducherry with 13.9 lakh population. So overall, I'll tell you that Tamil Nadu is the most populous state, and the Lakshadweep is another least populated UT. So I hope you will like this information. Comment, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks for watching.